So today on the Fixit Shed, I've got my 2011 Ford Fiesta, and it looks like maybe the previous owners had a flat tire and everything is just still in the trunk and not stowed properly. So let's look how to do that. Alright, so it comes with the original jack and tire iron, and then it has a spare jack and crank handle for it, but it does have the foam piece, which is supposed to have the fuel funnel in it, but it doesn't have it. It's got the spare tire hold down, and of course the spare tire, which looks like it was wrapped up by a tire place, but nobody ever put it back together. So they probably put the spare on, went to the tire place, got the tire fixed, and everybody just threw everything in the trunk. It does have this cool rubber mat for the trunk. Alright, and the regular floor panel. Oh good, it does have the hold down for the jack. So now to put the jack back the way it belongs, you can't put it in closed like this, because this needs to thread through here and screw to the bottom. So we're going to open it up. And basically I'm going to open it up. So let's see. Boop. The threaded rod is going to come out here, and I just want it to be level with these. Alright, so right like that. Alright, and then that's going to fold across. And then we can put it in the trunk. So now you can see in the trunk there are 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So the jack needs to secure into the bottom hole. Okay. Alright, and you need to be able to thread the tie. Yeah, okay, and you need to be able to thread. There we go. The tire hold down into there. So you need to make sure that you have enough room for that. Okay. All right, let's put the tire in. All right, now we should be able to fit that in there. There we go. Okay. I'm actually just turning it so that the valve stem is a little bit more easy to access. Alright, now that is secure. Yep. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the air pressure in here, because these should be inflated to 60 psi. Alright. So that's about 40 pounds, 42 pounds or so. So I am going to add some air to that. There you go. Right on 60 pounds. Okay, now you also want to put this in, foam piece. So it does say up here that that should be towards the front of the vehicle. So we have that. The tire iron fits in here. And I did go out and buy a funnel for it. You can get them on Amazon. I will have a link in the description. They're not that expensive, but you don't want to be caught without one. Now we should be able to put the mat back in. So it's resting on top of the tire. Unfortunately, the spare tire has been sitting on top of it and has caused it to sag, but I figure with some weight on it and some time and warmth of the summer coming up that it'll lay down flat again. And now we can put the mat back in. All right, so now if your spare tire and jack are not stowed properly, you know how. If you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or by becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.